Hey, what's going on? My name's Garrett. Thanks for checking out the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to swap out your 2010 to 12 Mustang taillights for some 13, 14 taillights. So, let's get into it. Before I get into it any further, like I said, my name's Garrett. I have a 2012 5.0 Mustang. If you're interested in seeing more Mustang content on the channel, please consider subscribing. Also from Walker, the other co-founder of DNA Drives, you're going to get lots of 300 SRT content. So if you like 300 SRTs and Mustangs, consider subscribing down below. Thanks. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. Let me know down below what you think about the new taillights and if you're gonna do it to your 10 to 12 Mustang. If you have a 10 to 12 Mustang, please get these taillights. Yeah, they are a little bit pricey, but it's totally worth it. It'll transform the look of your Mustang, and you'll love it. This looks awesome. And this gap down here, it's really not even noticeable, especially if you have a dark colored Mustang. I apologize for the sun shining in the camera. I'm not sure how well you can see the gap. It really doesn't look bad though.